Okay, so now I'm going to start inking up the stone and printing it. I'm using a clean sponge and clean water. A few drops of water on the stone should be enough. And I'll sponge that surface so we have a nice film of water across there. And while it's still wet, I'm going to start inking. Okay. I'm trying to record this, but we can chat upwards.
Oh, so exciting.
Yeah. Stone is getting a little dry. Not a problem. I'm going to use my dirtier sponge. A little of the ink that way, but it should come up on the roller as we go across. And it did. Should be pretty good. This is my first one for the day, so it may come up light. But we'll see. I'm going to place my printing paper on the stone. Piece of newsprint on top of that. And then my tympan, which facilitates the smooth movement across. Sure that we're underneath that scraper bar, and I'm parking right where I made the mark and applying the pressure. And then very carefully I'm going to turn the wheel in the direction I want the plate to move, keeping an eye on that stopping mark. Almost at, which point I can release the pressure, pull the whole bed back, set my cover to the side. First print of the day. So again, this one's a little on the light side. They should darken up as we go. But this is basically the process of printing. So from here, I'm just going to continue with some water to dampen my stone. I got some more ink. This is why you want to have two people. One person handling the sponge, one person handling the ink. The sponge person can be the paper, and the tympan person just makes things a little easier for everybody involved. I like to change direction if I can. I think that should do it. And the second one, let's see. Papers placed. Newsprint cover sheet. Tin. Just going to reposition the grease a little bit. That's just Vaseline. Right out with the mark. Gauge pressure. Turn wheel. Stop, release. Definitely darker. So let's look at the comparison here between first of the day, first, what it should be doing. All right, so now I can go ahead and continue inking and printing my edition.